People plan their vacations more than they plan their retirement. Yet, more than 70% of Americans are worried that they won't have enough to retire on. Many only rely on tax-deferred accounts such as 401ks or IRAs, where they pay taxes later when they retire. But many retirement experts and CPAs such as Ed Slott, who is a multiple New York Best Times selling author, agree that taxes will be much higher in the future. Fortunately, in this video, you will discover how to be your own bank so that you can have a comfortable, tax-free retirement that will last you the rest of your life, no matter how long you live. As a way of introduction, my name is Christian Gutierrez. I am a senior advisor here at the Financial Architects. Now, let's just say taxes were to stay the same. All the deductions you had in your working years won't be available at retirement, like mortgage interest, children, or retirement contributions. Imagine running out of money in your golden years because Uncle Sam took more than you anticipated, and having to go back into the workforce, or having to move into a run-down convalescent home for the rest of your life. Or worse, ending up homeless. What people need is a retirement vehicle that has the upside potential of a risky retirement plan and the downside protection of a secure savings vehicle that can potentially generate large amounts of non-taxable cash value. Basically, an all-in-one solution. Being your own bank through a tax-free retirement plan is that all-in-one solution. Now, there are other financial tools that are similar, like the Roth IRA, but in this video, I'm only going to go over the tax-free retirement plan, also known as the TFR plan. The TFR plan is essentially a life insurance policy that is specifically designed to maximize the growth accumulation of cash within the policy's growth account. With a TFR plan, you are buying as little life insurance as is required by the IRS, while stuffing as much money into it as the IRS allows. When utilized as a tax-free accumulation tool, the TFR plan has 4 surprising benefits. Number 1, TFR plans do not have contribution or income limitations like the Roth IRA. Number 2, it's indexed with the S&P 500, which is made of the 500 largest US publicly traded companies like Apple, Facebook, Amazon. Now, when the S&P 500 goes up, your cash value goes up with it up to 10%. But when it drops, your principal and any gains you had the prior year get locked in. So let's say it's the year 2000 and you had saved up $100,000 and didn't touch it by the year 2020. If you had a traditional savings account earning a whopping 0.5% each year, it would have barely grown to about $110,000. If you had a variable types of savings plan like a 401k, which rides the full ups and downs of the S&P 500, it would have grown to about $284,000. But you would have experienced 3 losses, 2 of those losses being major. If you had a TFR plan, your principal and any gains you had would have been protected from any losses, and it would have grown to about $322,000, more than tripling your initial investment. Talk about maximum growth with 0 risk of loss, right? Number 3, you have the potential for income for life guaranteed so that you can make the most out of your retirement. Number 4, since it's built on a financial chassis of permanent life insurance, you are instantly covered with hundreds of thousands of dollars of permanent life insurance with living benefits. Meaning, God forbid, if you had a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, you can actually pull money out of the death benefit to pay for the cost of medical bills or pay for the cost of living. Or if you die too soon, you can pass down a sizable amount of tax-free money to your heirs. As a matter of fact, your cash is more secure in a life insurance company than in a bank, because life insurance companies back each of your dollars with $4 of their own, while banks lend $9 for every $1 you have with them. Many life insurance companies have been around for more than 100 years, withstanding many market crashes and pandemics. So if you want to have a comfortable tax-free retirement that will last you the rest of your life, no matter how long you live, that has maximum growth potential with no risk of loss, then give us a call at 888-350-5396 or email us at info@tfainsuranceadvisors.com. Remember, people never plan to fail, they just fail to plan.